Uncle Mo from Lil Helper. This has been a monumental day. We are launching our newbie app. So this has taken me about 2 years to make, 1.5, 2 years to make, and it has been in my head for the last 4 or 5 years. So it's been sitting on my head. I wanted to make something like this for people who are starting cloth diapering or coming on using Lil Helper diapers. Here it is. I'm going to show you quickly how to use it. So let's not waste time. So you just say start. Okay, this is just gonna here is a picture of where this video is gonna be. From now on, I would like for you to refer to me as Captain Poopy Pants, as I'm the captain of this little ship or app. Kids can call me Uncle Mo. You call me Captain Poopy Pants. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be used. This is a reference guide. Okay, kind of almost like a user manual that you can use whenever you have a question or something that you need answered. So this is the main menu, and within this there are tons of other options. So like say if you were to choose why choose Lil Helper. So you want to come to the main menu, you can come to the main menu wherever from 2 clicks. Maximum 2 clicks and you'll be back at the main menu wherever, whatever question you choose. So let's choose why choose Lil Helper. You can go and look at the God forbid guarantee. And once you read this, then you can go level up and main menu. Boom. It takes you to the main menu always. Everything takes you back to the main menu. Say now you have FAQ, how many diapers, whatever, tons of questions over here, and you go and look over here. Hey, this sounds interesting. When should I start cloth diapering? Again, my glorious face over here. Next is basically the next question on this little module. So this is basically, think of it as this is the whole app is a book. There are chapters and then there are sub-chapters. So these questions are all sub-chapters. You can go level up or you can go to the next question in this module. Again, the next question in this module. Hey, this is interesting as well. Next question, next question. And now this is basically this module is done. Now you're going to the next level. Next level is basically the next chapter. Again, this chapter will have sub-chapters. And you can click over here. And you can go up, level up, and main menu again. From here itself, you can get in touch with us. There are other 4 big apps in the sense that they are specific apps that we built for leaks, smelly diapers, fitting, and washing and drying. Okay, you can access those apps from here. This will take you to those apps. Okay, because we didn't want to make those are topics by themselves. We didn't want to crowd them over here. So those apps can be accessed from this app. So this is all you need. If you have this, you can basically start your cloth diapering journey and end it with this one app. And again, if you ever need us for anything, you can get in touch with us directly from your Delight team, DELIGHT@lilhelper.ca. And if something is broken, get in touch with us, delight@lilhelper.ca. I'm so excited for you guys to use this app. Thank you. Bye-bye.